Hey guys, the time has finally come. We're gonna learn our last syllable type. But before we learn our last syllable type, we're gonna review what we already know. So when we think of our syllable types, we think of the word clover. It's an acronym that stands for all of our syllable types. So in clover, our C stands for a closed syllable, which would be like cat. That vowel is closed in. Our O stands for open, for like go. There's nothing behind the O, so the O says its name. Then we have V, which stands for vowel team. So think of that train, that plane, boy, coil, all of those with that vowel team, even ouch. And then we have magic E, so rope, cake, bike, all of those have magic E. And then we have our last, the R is R controlled, like car. You'll notice that all of those syllable types can be words in themselves. So now it is time to reveal our last syllable type, and that is our L. Drum roll, please. It is called consonant LE. Now, consonant LE, here are some things to remember. It is a syllable type. You will find it at the end of words because it's never a word by itself. It always is going to be at the end of a word. So you will go through that it makes sounds. So there's a deck. So we'll go through and realize or learn about some consonant LE sounds. So here is ZLE, puzzle, zul. PLE, apple, pool. TLE, turtle, tull. FLE, waffle, fool. GLE, juggle, goal. BLE, bubble, bull. And DLE, puddle, dull. All right, so those are our consonant LE sounds. So how exactly will we read these consonant LE words? So the first step is to identify, is it a consonant LE word? Is there a consonant LE at the end of the word? Then if there is, we count back 3. We start at the end and we count back 3. 1, 2, 3. And after we get to 3, we just chop. So the first thing we do is identify, is the word have a consonant plus a LE at the end? If it does, let's start at the end and count back 3. And then we're going to chop. So I'm going to demonstrate how we would do that. So with our first word here, I identify that there is a consonant plus a LE. So what do? I'm going to count back 3. 1, 2, 3, chop. Awesome, I chopped. Now I can use my knowledge of my syllable types and read this word. So I'm going to look at this first syllable. Well, I notice my vowel is closed in by an N, so it is closed. So that first syllable is going to say n, jun, and then GLE, that's my word was juggle. So it says goal. So the word is jungle, good job. So let's see our next word. So same thing, I notice, now we're gonna realize that all of these, I notice that there's a constant plus a LE. So what do? I'm gonna count back 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I chop. And then I can identify my syllable types. So I see A, and I see it's closed in with an R, but it's not a closed syllable because that is an R. So it's R controlled, and we know that AR says R. So my first syllable says mar, and then BLE, there's the LE. So it's a consonant LE syllable. So I'm gonna put this together, marble. Marble. My next word I'm going to walk you through. I see it has a PLE that says pool. So 1, 2, 3, chop. So let's identify this syllable type. I look at my vowel. There's nothing behind it. It's wide open. So I'm going to say it's open. And then PLE says pool. Think purple. It's a good word for that. And that is consonant LE. My last word we're going to go through, I recognize that there is a consonant plus a LE, and it's a D consonant LE. So I know that's going to say dole, like puddle, but I start at the back and then I count back 3. 1, 2, 3. Chalk. So my word, let's identify. This is an EE. EE, vowel team. And I know EE says E like tree. So knee, and then DLE says dole. Knee, dole. So there you go, guys. That is our last syllable type, consonant LE. You made it. You got it through. So let's have fun practicing.